Welcome class, my name is Rabia Aslam, roll number 1017. The topic of my presentation is about the preparation of buffers utilized in the RNA extraction. In this presentation, I will discuss about the preparation of these buffers in molecular biological laboratories. First of all, contents. All the buffers utilized in RNA extraction. What is RNA extraction? Purpose of the extraction. What are buffers? Preparation of the buffer solutions utilized in the process of RNA extraction. TAE buffer. Preparation of the RNA is the isolation buffer solutions. Tris borate EDTA. Purpose of the TBE buffer. Preparation of the buffer solution for the isolation of RNA. First of all, I will discuss about the RNA extraction. So what is RNA extraction? The separation or isolation of the RNA from the cell to study the translation process, gene expression level, and protein synthesis is called as RNA extraction. RNA separation or extraction is the extraction of mRNA. The extraction of the RNA is more complicated than the extraction of the DNA because of the enzyme RNase for the degradation of the RNA at certain points. And if the RNA is encountering this enzyme, it will make the RNA more unstable in acidic and alkalic conditions. If the pH is not perfect, then it will cause the destabilization of RNA, which makes the RNA extraction much more difficult. Then next is the purpose of RNA extraction. RNA is extracted to observe the differential splicing and measure size. It also plays its important role in the measurement of the gene expression. It also measures the sequence of the proteins. It also plays its important role in PCR technique and reverse transcription. Next, what is buffer? The solution which is used in the chemical reaction when the basic solution or acidic solution is poured in it, and then this solution will resist the change of the pH and maintain it by neutralizing the solution added in it is called as a buffer. The basic function of buffer is to maintain the pH of the solution. So next is the preparation of the buffer solutions utilized in the process of RNA extraction. First of all, we will discuss about the TAE buffer, which is known as tris acetate EDTA buffer. TAE buffer is actually composed of the tris base, acetic acid, and EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid mixture. The pH of this buffer is usually 8.3. This buffer is usually exhausted because it has a low buffer capacity than TBE buffer. Next is the purpose of this buffer. The purpose of this buffer is the isolation and extraction of RNA. The buffer solution is commonly used in the process of the RNA extraction in agarose gel electrophoresis. It controls and maintains the medium pH in the process of gel electrophoresis and allows the RNA to run through the gel smoothly. For the broad range mutation analysis, TAE buffer is utilized in the gel electrophoresis. Next is the preparation of TAE buffer. First of all, we will discuss about the materials required in this preparation. First of all, we will take cotton, spatula, butter paper, forceps, 200 ml beaker, 1000 ml beaker named as TAE buffer, distilled water, measuring cylinders for measuring glacial acetic acid, glass rod, weighing balance, tris base, EDTA, and acetic acid. Next is the procedure. First of all, in the first step, take a clean spatula and add a tris base measuring 48.41 gram in a beaker that is marked as TAE buffer solution. Then, in the next step, measure about glacial acetic acid of 11.4 ml by a small measuring cylinder and mix into a beaker labeled as TAE buffer. Take another measuring cylinder and measure about 20 ml of EDTA solution of about 0.5 mole solution that has a pH of 8.0 and add it into the TAE beaker. Then in a large measuring cylinder, measure about 600 ml distilled water by it. Next, in the next step, the beaker is filled with this water and take a clean glass rod having cotton embedded in on its tip. Stir the solution with it. Shift this beaker solution into a 1000 ml cylinder and put in a small quantity of the water in the cylinder at a final volume of 1000 ml of the cylinder. Transfer this entire solution in a reagent bottle named as TAE buffer. Next is tris borate ADTA. EDTA buffer, TBE buffer. TBE buffer that is usually composed of the boric acid, tris base, and ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, EDTA mixture. This TBE buffer against the enzymatic degradation, the EDTA in the tris borate EDTA buffer has a very crucial role for the protecting the nucleic acid, and the pH of this tris borate EDTA buffer is about 8.3. It has a very high buffer capacity than TAE buffer. Next is the purpose of this buffer. The basic purpose of this buffer, TBE buffer, is the isolation of ribonucleic acid by the process of agarose gel electrophoresis. It also plays a crucial role in the preparation of the polyacrylamide gel. Next is the preparation of TBE buffer. First of all, we will discuss about the materials required: cotton, spatula, tris base, boric acid, EDTA, butter paper, forceps, 200 ml beaker, 100 ml beaker, 1000 ml beaker, tagged as TBE buffer, distilled water, measuring cylinders for measuring glacial boric acid, glass rod, weighing balance. Next is the procedure. The process of preparation for the TBE buffer of about 5x of TBE buffer. First step, take a clean spatula, clean it with the cotton, and take 54 grams of the tris base measured by the weighing balance, and add this amount of the tris base into the empty beaker named as TBE buffer. Then next, take another clean spatula and take the amount of boric acid, about 27.53 grams, and pour it into the TBE buffer beaker. Take a measuring cylinder of 20 ml and wash it properly with the distilled water. Then measure about 20 ml of amount of the 0.5 mole EDTA and add it into the TBE buffer solution beaker. Next, wash a 1000 ml measuring cylinder with the water. Add distilled water of about 600 ml amount into the measuring cylinder and pour it into a beaker named as TBE buffer. Then hold a glass rod wiped with the cotton and mix the solution well in this TBE buffer beaker. Then transfer this TBE solution into the 1000 ml cylinder, and then in the TBE beaker, take a little quantity of the water and pour this water into the measuring cylinder having the solution, and modify the volume of the solution up to the 1000 ml of the cylinder with this water. Then pass on the solution into the reagent bottle named as TBE buffer. That's all about my topic. Thank you so much.